Hi, my name is Lifei Huang, Associate Professor in Department of Applied Statistics and Information Science, Mingchuan University, Taiwan. Today, I would like to talk about contingency table in Power BI. That's my pre-recorded video. I will use this contingency table for illustration. In this table, we can see that 80 people are true positive. 13 people are false positive. 20 people are false negative. 87 people are true negative. All cases can be shown in Power BI. Here we can see two vertical bar charts, two slicers, and one data summary table. Based on this vertical chart, we can see that the accuracy will be 100 over 200 or 0.5. If we select the first row in data summary table, that means gold standard is negative and the rapid test is also negative. And in the left hand side part, vertical bar chart, we can take the highlight part 87 over the whole bar 100 to get the value of specificity. If we select the second row of the data summary table, that means the gold standard is positive, the rapid test is negative. Then in the left hand side part vertical bar chart and the right bar, here we can use the upper part 80 over the lower highlight part 20 to get a value called odd for positive. If we select the third row of the data summary table, that means the gold standard is negative and the rapid test is positive. Then in the left hand side part vertical bar chart and the left bar, we can take the lower highlight part 13 over the upper part 87 to get a value called odd for negative. If we select the fourth row of the data summary table, that means the gold standard is positive and the rapid test is also positive. Then from the right hand side part vertical bar chart, we can take the highlight part 80 over the whole bar 93 to get a value called precision for positive. Similarly, if we take a look at the left-hand side part bar chart, and we can use the highlight part 80 over the whole row, whole column 100 to get a value called recall for positive. However, in clinical trial, this value is also called sensitivity. Using previous statistics, we can do further calculation. In data mining point of view, there's a F measure for positive. which is calculated by 2 times precision for positive times recall for positive, and then divided by the sum of precision for positive plus recall for positive. Then the F measure is 84.21%. In clinical trial point of view, there's something called odds ratio, which is the ratio of odds for positive over odds for negative. Then this odds ratio is 26.8. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and have a nice day.